Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage task followers on Asana, your complete 2025 guide. First up, let's open our Asana and locate the task we need to manage followers for. This could be under any project, so make sure you're in the right place. Now, this step is vital as it leads us to the task whose followers we want to manage. Next up, once we're on the task page, let's focus our attention on the right panel. Here you'll see a section titled Followers. This is where the magic happens. The reason we do this is to see who's already following the task and to add or remove followers as needed. Now, let's click on the Add Followers button. A drop-down list will appear, displaying all your team members. Here's where you choose who you want to add as a follower on this task. Remember, adding followers ensures that the right people are updated on the task's progress. But what if you need to remove a follower? No worries. Just hover over the name of the follower you want to remove and click on the X that appears. This helps us because sometimes keeping the follower list lean ensures that only the people really involved are updated, which can reduce confusion and keep things streamlined. Let me explain why managing task followers matters. By doing so, you're ensuring that the right people are in the loop about the task's progress, and you're keeping your team's communication effective and efficient. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've mastered managing task followers on Asana. Keep practicing, and it will soon become second nature. Until next time, keep organizing and streamlining your workflow, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.